Hello, we've seen a north-south split in the weather across the UK today. Sunny skies in the south, a bit more cloud and a few showers further north. And we'll continue to see that theme through tonight. Dry for many of us, those showers continuing across Scotland, but starting to turn murky in the west as we head through the early hours. But for most of us, the end of the day will be fine and bright. We'll see some lovely sunshine around, but then the cloud does thicken out to the west, as I say, and those showers and outbreaks of rain will start to push their way in, turning fairly murky, in fact, around western coasts of Wales and southwest England, but fairly mild across many areas. Temperatures not really dropping that far, 15 or 16 the low in the south, but a little bit fresher further north, 9 degrees there in Stornoway. So as we go through this week ahead, we will see high pressure in charge to the south. That's going to keep these weather fronts pushing up to the northwest of the UK, particularly on Tuesday. This one weather front, it comes in and then it just sits there, so some heavier rain possible for a time. But as that high drifts off into the east, we'll start to drag in some slightly warmer air coming up from the south, a sign of things to come through the middle part of the week. But back to Monday, and it's a bright start across the east. Cloud, though, thickens in the west, and we'll continue to see some outbreaks of drizzly rain arriving across Wales and particularly southwest England. But the sun will soon get to work, and we'll see some lovely bright sunny skies developing across many areas. A few showers in the mix as well, particularly through the Midlands, drifting off into the southeast. Probably staying fairly grey across the far southwest during the day, but otherwise a mixture of sunny spells and the odd shower, and those temperatures getting into the 20s for many, 24 there in London, a little fresher further north at 16 degrees there in Glasgow. Now, through the evening, many of us will have a bright, fine end to the day. There'll be some lovely evening sunshine to be had. But look to the west. This area of rain starting to spread in. That's those frontal systems we saw on the previous chart. You can see those spreading their way in to give some heavier rain across parts of Northern Ireland, later then spreading in to the northwest of England and also southwest Scotland. Still fairly warm and muggy across the south, 17 degrees the low in London. Much fresher further north, though, some cool air just popping in here. 8 degrees there in Stornoway and also for Lerwick. Now, that rain will continue to pile its way in through Tuesday, a pretty soggy day to come across this central slice of the UK, and feeling fairly cool for the time of year under that cloud and rain. Temperatures just 12, 13 degrees at the best. To the north of it, well, it's fresh, but it's bright. We'll see some sunny skies, warmer to the south with the odd shower possible amongst those sunny spells. Now, as we look ahead towards the middle part of the week, that high pressure drifts off to the east and we drag in some warmer air. But then we start to see some thundery rain pushing up from the near continent. That could give some heavy bursts of rain through the course of Thursday. Before then, we start to see northwesterly winds into Friday. So a brief spell of warm weather before it turns fresher again as we go through Friday. So in summary then, a fairly bright start for many of us. There will be some rain around at times. Later in the week, though, potentially turning thundery across the south. Goodbye.